Yeah, let's have a few more interactions.
Chun On.
Do you want one?
Yeah.
Actually, I want to build on the language, because it's not just language that defines us, our identity. It's also race. And I want to talk about the CMIO model. The CMIO model is outdated to me. It's a British invention, and to me it's a political tool. So I'd like to hear the speakers' comments on the CMIO model. Especially, I think Jay, we talked about this last night about your wife being Indonesian. My wife is also Indonesian. So if we had children, right? Where do our children?
We have children. So
my
son is the others now. So how do you qualify me? Am I an Indian household or Indonesian household or a mixed household, right? So I think this whole thing needs to be reconstructed.
Your other.
You don't like it?
Among the in the jungle, right?
Mongrel.
No, but before you answer, I'd like to add to something else was mentioned on the same forum, which was there was an NUS Associate Professor of Sociology, Daniel Goh. He mentioned that the Singapore population cannot be identified by just being born and bred here, but it's actually a sense of emotion. So how do you link that to when you said we must have identity, and to understand identity you must have heritage, and also understand your history. So how would you link the two state of mind? Because you guys are saying we must have an identity, and then people in a bit of authority are saying no, it's a sense of emotion because there's an influx of foreigners coming in and we need to integrate. So they're trying to psychoanalyze how we should be loyal to our own country. How would you take that?
Answer that yourself.
I think they came to listen to you.
No, I think this is for overall discussion. What are your thoughts about identity in Singapore? What kind of identity should we have?
Manwai, can pass forward.
Well, personally, I feel that the CMIO model is outdated, and we should really look at it, because I teach in schools. When you go to schools, there's a good 10 to 20% of kids who are mixed race already. And so this is going to be what it is going to be in the next 15 to 20 years. So we have to start looking at it now. I'm surprised they are actually having a forum without even having a solution to the CMIO model. And so I don't know what they were trying to pull, but I think the main scoop was, the thing is, there is an emotional attachment, but emotional attachment comes with the patriotism and the fact that we have been responsible, or our forefathers have been responsible for what Singapore is today with the early visionaries. So the emotional attachment comes from the fact of the sense of belonging. So for them to turn around and say, we bring in new citizens, no disrespect to them, they are needed here, but to say we can use them as the first step to integrate, because it's all a matter of emotion. You put everybody in a football game between us and the person coming in, he might wear our jersey, but he'll be secretly be happy if his own home team scores, right? So where is that coming from? You ask any refugee in any border in any country, you can ask them, do you love this country? They say, I love this country, not because he's emotionally attached, but it's an economical attachment, because he wants to make money in that country. That's what I think.
In the book, right, I